your phone at a side and switch them off so that our event gets function smoothly. Nobody can teach you if you don't want to study. Nobody can stop you if you're determined to study. With this quote, let us start the student-led conference. So, our topic is motion. So, our subjects are integrated with on one subject, that is social science. So, let's start with social science. In the social science, we did the chapter motions of Earth, in which we learned rotation and revolution, perihelion, ephelion, and etc. So, we made a brochure in it, which looks like this. You can have a look. We also did some notebook work and you can have a look at that. Along with that, we did an assignment of motions of Earth. So now let's move on Hindi. हिंदी में हमने रामायण पढ़ी, जिससे हमें पता चला कि कुछ पात्र ऐसे भी थे जो पहाड़ों पर रहते थे, जैसे कि सुग्रीव, हनुमान जी और बाली जी। तो हमने उनकी पर्वतीय यात्रा का अनुभव हमारी पर्वतीय यात्रा के साथ जोड़ा और अपना पर्वतीय यात्रा का अनुभव चित्र वर्णन सहित लिखा। हमने यह है, आप इसे देख सकते हैं। एवं हमने एक अभ्यास पत्रिका की, जिसमें हमें 20 पात्रों का नाम ढूंढना था एवं नीचे दिए गए प्रश्नों का उत्तर देना था। साथ ही साथ हमने कुछ रामायण के पात्रों के बारे में उनकी विशेषताएं लिखी और सुंदरकांड एवं ऋषिकन्या कांड को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ा। अब हम चलते हैं टू द फ्रेंच। Bonjour aparo, je vous parle de été, that is summer. La fille, that is girl. You garçon, that is boy. La pasticue, that is watermelon. La lunite, that is shades, that is sunglasses basically. You glace, that is ice cream. Chateau, that is sandcastle. La buttocks or surf, that is a surfing board, and the arbre, that is a tree. Very nice. Now let's go to one of my favorite subject, that is English. In English, we did a paragraph that was, we got many topics. I choose if I were an astronaut, I would go to the moon. So we write an essay on it. And also in the grammar, we learned direct and indirect, in which we did a worksheet. In this, have a look. If you are having any kind of queries or questions, you can just write on this board. Now let's move on science. In the science, we did the chapter motion and measurements of distances, which was a very interesting chapter, and we were supposed to make a toy which shows any kind of motion, whether it is 1 or 2 or any such. So I made a windmill that shows the rotatory motion and the periodic motion. Basically, periodic motion is something that is a motion in which a moving object repeats same activity at different intervals of time, and rotatory motion is something when an object moves in a manner which shows some rotational or circular manner. Now you can have a look at that notebook. Now it's time for the mathematics. In the mathematics, we did the chapter fractions, in which we learned different types of fractions, which were equivalent fraction, mixed fractions, unlike fraction, like fraction, proper, improper, and etc. So this is my notebook register work. You can have a look on it. Also, we did a sheet which was a solar day. On in it, we learned how the different rotatory manner of different planets, and we put this part in our brochure also after the social science. And this is the table. Now, last but not the least, computer. In the computer, we did the chapter Introduction to Python, in which we learned how to write different kinds of codes and how to print in different kinds of mode. We learned the script mode and the interactive mode, and we learned how to type them in the terminal. So you can have a look at my computer notebook too. Now I would like to show the reflection sheets which are filled after doing all these activities. So, thank you for your precious time. Are you having any kind of doubts or any query related to the program? Okay. Now, I would like to thank you both by this thank you note.
Thank you so much.